Good morning, fam. You stand alone in the quiet calm of dawn. The world still wrapped in shadows. A weight rests on your shoulders. Stiffness from the day before. Tension clinging like fog. But today, you're stepping forward. Turning this morning into a journey. A journey to rise, to stretch, to shake off that weight and walk into the day renewed. Let's make every movement a step closer to strength and purpose. Let's hit the mat. Start by stepping your right foot forward, sinking into a low lunge. This is your first step, grounding you, rooting you. Place your left hand on the ground, steady and strong, and twist your torso to the right, lifting your arm toward the sky. Feel the stretch ripple through your spine, unlocking tension in your hips. Opening your chest to the morning air. Breathe deeply as you twist, feeling your body expand, like shedding layers. Switch sides. Each twist is a release, a step toward ease, as if gathering strength from the earth beneath you, lifting yourself, readying for what lies ahead. Lower down to your knees and sink back into child's pose. Arms stretching forward, forehead resting on the mat. In this quiet moment, feel the calm settle in, your body connecting with the ground. This is your stillness, your moment of preparation. Now slide forward into Sphinx pose. Elbows under your shoulders, lifting your chest, feeling the stretch roll up your spine, expanding through your heart. Move back and forth. Child's pose to Sphinx. Calm to strength. Let each transition be a step deeper into your power. Finding calm. Finding purpose. Feeling your body come alive with each rise and fall. Come onto all fours, hands firmly planted. This is a test of balance and focus. Extend your right arm forward, left leg back, finding a line of strength from fingertip to toe. Hold steady, as if stretching toward something just beyond reach. Switch sides. Left arm, right leg. Alternate slowly, each side a chance to center yourself. Here you build stability and a foundation. Each stretch is a reminder. You have the strength to reach, to balance, to grow stronger with each breath. Keep moving, keep balancing. This is your power taking shape. Press up into downward dog. Hips high, heels sinking toward the earth. Feel the stretch through your hamstrings, the grounding through your hands. Let your body lengthen, finding release along your spine, shoulders and legs. Now flow forward into Cobra, letting your hips slower, lifting your chest, open to the morning light. Chest wide, shoulders back, move back to downward dog, then into Cobra, finding a rhythm. This is the back and forth of strength and release. Each stretch, a reminder of your resilience. Each movement, opening a path forward. Drop to all fours. Hands beneath shoulders, knees beneath hips. Inhale, arch your back, letting your chest lift, spine lengthen. Exhale, grounding your spine, tucking your chin. This is your cat-cow stretch, a rise and release, loosening the spine, waking up each vertebrae. Feel yesterday's weight roll off with each movement. like shedding old armor. Inhale to open, exhale to let go. Each breath fills you with lightness. Each stretch makes space for something new. This is the body's natural rhythm, finding freedom, finding strength. Kneel down and extend your right leg out to the side. Raise your arm up, then lean over, stretching along your side. This stretch reaches deep, opening your ribs, expanding your breath. Breathe into the stretch, feeling each breath create space, ease, and lightness in your torso. Switch to the other side. With every breath, you're making room for strength, for calm, for a feeling of readiness. You're building balance, setting the tone for a centered, powerful day. Stay on all fours, lifting your right leg out to the side, bent at 90 degrees. Lower and lift, feeling the strength gather in your hip and glute. Switch sides after 30 seconds. This movement isn't just a stretch. It's a reminder that strength lies in the foundation. You're waking up the hips, fortifying your base, preparing yourself to move through the day grounded and steady. Feel that power build, steady and unbreakable. Interlace your fingers behind your back and gently lift your arms, letting your chest open to the world. Take a deep breath, feeling your shoulders roll back, creating openness across your heart. Imagine drawing in the morning air, filling yourself with lightness, with calm. Let any remaining tension drift away. You're opening up, ready to face the day with strength. Standing tall, shoulders open, heart forward. Get into kneeling with your knees hip-width apart. Begin circling your hips as if tracing a small semicircle. Gradually widen the motion into a full hula hoop, feeling your hips and lower back loosen with each round. Let the movement flow naturally, releasing any last remnants of stiffness. Imagine that circle radiating out, filling you with ease. Each round loosening tension, creating a feeling of freedom and readiness. This is your final preparation. Body in motion, mind at ease. Finish with a gentle rotation of each wrist, circling them slowly. Now extend your right arm forward, palm down, and use your left hand to pull your fingers back, stretching through your wrist and forearm. Switch sides and hold for a moment, letting every joint feel smooth, open, and ready. Your hands are steady. Your body feels light. prepared to carry you forward with strength and focus. Fantastic work, fam. You just gave yourself 10 minutes of grounding, of strength, of calm. Feel the openness, the readiness, the energy you've created. But what if you could build on this? Imagine how powerful a full workout would feel, or how grounding a meditation could be. Take the next step and carry this strength with you today. Let's keep building. I'll see you in the next video, and make sure to smash subscribe.